cannot wait to introduce you guys to my channel, where from learning how to use a sewing machine to achieve a perfect straight stitch and multiple complex stitches, you will learn it all. Also, if you are a beginner in sewing crafts, you do not need to worry at all, because I have made videos just for you with detailed steps and guidance and clear and concise instructions which you will find very easy to follow. So what are you waiting for? Come on, subscribe to my channel and let me walk you through so many fun crafts and videos that I have made just for you. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get the notification of so many more fun and amazing videos that will be coming every week. Bye! Hope to see you soon.